Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome to Tesla's Wild. My name is Colin. I hope y'all are having a great day. If you're new to the channel, I'm so glad you found us. I hope you enjoy what you see here, and I hope you stick around for future videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I am so truly grateful. One reminder, there's a comment pinned below with timestamps so you can hop through the video and view the portions most relevant to you. Today, I wanted to go over a way that I have thought about protecting my vehicle. So as some of you know, I am going back to school in the fall to get my master's in mechanical engineering in thermal fluid systems. That doesn't matter. What does matter is in Golden, I live in a rental house and there is no garage. So I have to park outside. Luckily, I do get one of the driveway spots, but my Tesla Model 3 Performance is outside, exposed to the elements. What I wanted to do was invest in a car cover. So I've looked around, I looked at the Tesla car cover, I looked at a few others, and then on Amazon, I found this one by BougeRV. This car cover has pretty solid ratings. It's only $73. And I did reach out to the company after purchasing it, letting them know that I'm a YouTuber and that I was going to do a review on this. And they did offer me a 20% discount code for all of you. So make sure you check the description for that. We'll open it up, put it on the vehicle, see how it fits. I am curious to see how it will fit over the carbon fiber splitter and spoiler that I put on the vehicle about a week ago or a couple days ago. If this sounds interesting to you, make sure you stay tuned and we will see you guys shortly. Auto open frunk. Ta-da! All right, so here it is. Let's get her opened up. Let's get this guy closed. I'm gonna grab some scissors. Oh, you look so beautiful right now. These scissors from 1942 have mysteriously disappeared. I can't find them, unfortunately. Being careful not to cut what's on the inside. There we go. BougeRV. So yeah, this is from Amazon. It's $73 and it's from a company called BougeRV. All right, so here we go. Looks like it is inside of a bag here, so that's nice. It does come with a nice little storage pouch for it. Probably will never be able to fold it up the exact same as they have it folded here. And here it is. Okay, so instructions. Thank you for ordering Tesla accessories from our store. Now, we have prepared a gift to give back to our new customers. The number of gifts is limited. Please contact us in time. Interesting. So they give you a center console organizer or the mat. So I installed both of those. I'll link those videos above. Pretty cool. Awesome. Just gonna open it up here. All right, this thing is heavy duty for sure. Very solid material. It seems like it's actually really nice quality, which is cool. Looks like there are buckles to secure it to the vehicle. I don't know if it matters what direction it goes, but okay, I don't know. I don't really know. So we're just gonna try and put it on and see how it works. I wish I knew more of what I was doing, but that's part of the fun of these videos is I don't know what I'm doing at all, so we just kind of struggle our way through it together. Not too bad. Okay, all right. All right, we got it on there. All right, so mostly fully covered. Let's see if we can't see. Okay, so it looks pretty similar to that. Yeah, not too bad. I think for my purposes, it will work just fine. I'm pretty happy with that. Especially now that I know how to put it on. There is a buckle that you can go under the front of the vehicle here, so that is pretty nice. Got these little orange reflectors on it. You can get some pretty solid coverage on the vehicle, and I don't know if that's partly because of the spoiler, but for my purposes, it's perfect. So really good quality material. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. All right, so there we have it. That is the BougeRV car cover. As I said, this is $72.98 from Amazon. It's a great deal. And as I said, I reached out to the company and they ended up offering me a 20% discount for all of you to use. It seems like a really great quality product. It's got great material. It seems tough. It seems like it's gonna last a long time. It's just gray with some orange reflectors on there. On Amazon, they say that it is all weather protection, rain proof, it's dust proof, it's snow proof, it's good in the sunlight. So it's basically all year protection if you don't have a garage like I don't when I'm in school. I'm super happy to have it, and I got it for 73 bucks. I didn't get the 20% off. So with the 20% off, it is $58.38. In comparison, the Model 3 cover from Tesla is $300 to $350. You do get the Tesla T on it, which is pretty cool. This is just blank, it's generic, but you're getting it for 5 times less at minimum, especially with the 20% off. Hi there, Future Colin here. I am cutting together the video of the car cover right now, and when I was cutting together this video, I was looking at the Tesla version of the Tesla Model 3 car cover. I noticed that the Tesla version actually has an opening for the charge port. You can be charging the vehicle with the car cover on. BougeRV version does not have this opening. There's probably enough slack that you could fit the cable under, but I would be worried about it hurting the door. But I did reach out to the manufacturer, BougeRV, the company, to ask them about this, and they did say that this was inherent in the design. They wanted it to fully protect the vehicle from dust, water, snow, anything like that. That was their reasoning for not including an opening for the charge port door. I did let them know that this is probably a really desired feature for this type of car. I did let them know that it sounds like they're actually going to look into redesigning it. It is a universal car cover that just happens to fit the Model 3. Thought I would let you guys know that it does not have that charge port opening. It was intended for it to not have it because they wanted to have full protection of the vehicle. But yeah, there's really not much else to say. It's a great product. It fits the vehicle really well. It didn't fully 100% cover the vehicle. I think that's because I have a spoiler and that adds a couple inches to the vehicle, but I also didn't really try to torque it down that hard. It does have the 2 straps, so if you did pull it down tightly, it probably would cover the car just fine, even with the spoiler. Without the spoiler, you will not have a problem at all. Like I said, it's a great product. The material feels great. It seems like it's going to last a long time. If you guys are in need of a car cover, definitely check this out. If you have a similar situation to me where I don't have a garage when I'm in school, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please smash that like and subscribe button down below. It is so truly important, and it absolutely means the world to me. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. As always, I've got a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned, and we will see you next video.